How to fix Black Myth, Wukong crashing, freezing, lagging, and won't launch on PC. Diagram 1-1. Restart your PC. Close Black Myth Wukong completely. Restart your computer normally. Launch the game again afterward. 2. Verify game files. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Go to Black Myth Wukong Properties. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 3. Update graphics drivers. Install latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPU drivers. Use Clean Installation option if available. Restart your PC after updating. 4. Lower graphics settings, reduce texture and shadow quality, disable ray tracing and ultra settings, lower resolution scale for smoother gameplay. 5. Disable overlays and background apps. Disable Discord overlay and Xbox Game Bar, close MSI Afterburner, OBS, and RGB software, stop unnecessary startup applications. 6. Reinstall DirectX and Visual C++. Install latest DirectX runtime. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Restart your PC afterward. 7. Delete corrupted cache shader files. Press Windows R, type tent local app data cent, and press Enter. Delete Black Myth, Wukong cache shader files carefully. 8. Disable overclocking, reset CPU and GPU overclock settings to default, disable unstable XMP Expo profiles temporarily, relaunch the game afterward. And 9. Install latest Windows updates. Open Settings, Windows Update, install all pending updates, restart your PC after installation. 10. Reinstall the game if issue continues. Uninstall Black Myth, Wukong completely. Delete leftover game cache files manually. Install a fresh copy of the game again.